In this video, I'll unbox the HP DeskJet 4255e so you get a better idea what's included in the box and what is not included. So let's get started. Over here we have a bunch of manuals. On one side we have the power cable that plugs in the back of the printer. And on the other side we have the black ink cartridge and also the color ink cartridge. And then we have the printer over here wrapped in plastic to protect it from dust. On the front right side, right on the top, we're gonna have the control panel with a very small display. We have the top document feeder right over here where you can insert paper and the printer will scan them automatically. There's no buttons on the front, and on the back we have the power cable connection over here, and on the right side we also have a USB port in case you want to plug this printer to your computer directly using a USB cable. Unfortunately, as you see, the USB cable is not included in the box. You'll have to get one separately if you don't want to use the Wi-Fi and prefer being connected using a USB cable. But otherwise, this is it. This is what you find in the box of your HP DeskJet 4255e. If you want to get one from Amazon, I'll put links in the description down below. I'll also make many videos and also a review about this one in the next few days. Thanks for watching.